Okay, students, can if I ask you 4, can you tell me whether 4 is odd number or even number? So how to find that? How to find a number, particular number, say 4 is odd or even. We divide it by 2, 2 2s are 4 and remainder is 0. Any number we divide by 2 and when the remainder is 0, we consider that number as even number. Is it? So like that, we will find a number whether it is odd or even using formula. Okay, so to find out the remainder of a number, we use the formula mod. Okay, if we write mod if we write 6 mod 2, what will be the answer? 6 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, 0. So this is the answer, means the remainder. Understood? So this we will use to find out whether a number is odd or even in the program. So let's start doing the practical. So we will open free box. Okay, then here here we will write qb.exe qb.exe and this. Go back and special key is escape. Okay, so till here. Now we will do the write down the program. So first here written rem. So you have got this. Rem means remarks. Okay, remarks means what this line is ignored by the computer will not see this line. This line is used to say the user what program we are writing. Okay, so this one to check. If you write this line, then also okay. If you don't write this line, then also okay. Check whether a number is odd or even. Okay, then we will start CLS. So clear the screen. This is needed. Then we will write input. So input statement is used to take the input from the user during runtime. Okay, before we used to give any number that is in the program itself. Right now, if another person want to use or run this program and he want to find another number, what happen? We have to go and correct it in the program. But if it is not there in the program, in the black screen we have to write, then we do not have to go and modify the this one program, isn't it? So that's the facility. So we will write input, then give double inverted comma, double inverted comma, then enter any number. Close. Then you have to give a semicolon, don't forget. Then give a variable. I am giving the variable a. So the number the user will give, that number will get stored in variable a. Now we will write if. So if in Assamese, if we say it's jodi, okay, if the number which is stored in a mod 2 is equals to 0. Means if the number given by the user, if we divide it by 2 and the remainder is 0. Got it? Because I told you mod is used to find the remainder. Understood? So if the number, when I show you in the whiteboard, in place of A I gave 4. 4 more 2 is 0. Yes. Now if the user gives 6, 6 more 2 is 0. If the user gives 12, 12 more 2 is 0. Yes. So like that, if the number given by the user mod 2 means when divided the remainder is 2. Sorry, when divided by 2 the remainder is 0. Then what will happen? Then a print statement will run. What is a print statement? Then print the number is even. Okay. Else, if it is not even, if it is the answer, the mod will not, means the remainder is not 0, then what will print? Else print the number is odd. The number is odd. And done. Let us run the program. Here any number we need to enter and see. Okay, so I am here entering 15. Go. The number is odd. Yes, 15 is odd because if we divide 15 by 2, remainder will not be 0. Okay, let us try another number. So go back. Okay, again run it. Now we will give another number. So that is 62. Now see here students, if we do not add input statement, we need to change this number in the program. Yes, as we give the input statement, we are asked to enter the number in the output screen. So this is the use of input statement. Alright, now 62. Let us see. The number is even. Yes, because if we divide 62 by 2, our remainder will be 0. Understood?